Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Microsoft Copilot 2026 update and the biggest new features you should know about. Microsoft is turning Copilot into a much more powerful workplace AI with smarter automation, deeper app integration, and new AI agents. So let's break down what's new. One of the biggest upgrades is the introduction to the AI agents. Instead of just answering the questions, co-pilots can now help complete the tasks inside the Microsoft applications. For example, it can assist in creating the document, analyzing the spreadsheet, and building the presentations based on the simple instructions. Another major improvement is voice interaction with memory. Copilot can now hold more natural voice conversations and remember certain user preferences. This helps it more personalized responses while still allowing users to manage or review what the AI remembers. Next is deeper integration across Microsoft 365 applications. Copilot is now embedded more tightly into the tools like Word, Excel, Output, and Teams. This means you can summarize the emails, generate the reports, analyze the data, and create the presentations directly inside the app that you already use for work. Microsoft also added Copilot connectors. These connectors allow Copilot to access the information from the external systems and bring it into the Microsoft workspace. This makes it easier for the employees to find the information across the different tools and databases. Another key focus is the accuracy and the enterprise security. Microsoft improved how Copilot references company data so that responses are more reliable. Organizations also get stronger control over what information the AI can access, helping protect the sensitive data. Overall, the goal of this particular update is to transform Copilot from a simple AI assistant into a full productivity partner that helps people automate the tasks and work more efficiently. So this was a quick review of the Microsoft Copilot 2026 updates. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.